It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out a new, well it's not new actually, it's about a month old, but new to me, eyeshadow palette from Primark. So it is the Cherry palette. I did actually feature this in a Primark haul that I did probably about a month ago now, but I've only just got around to testing it out. So if that's something that you fancy watching, then please stay tuned. Right, so first up, I'm going to give you a little look at what colours are inside. So it's this Cherry palette here. This was £5 a month ago and it's probably in the sale now for all I know. But it's kind of like, it reminds me of Lego. It's like this rubbery sort of packaging, which is actually really quite cool. And it does give me Huda vibes, if I'm honest. So we're going to open it up. And then you've got a little mirror in there. And then you've got these obviously red-based shades as well. So they're quite nice. I did swatch them, I believe, in the haul. I'll tag it above. But yeah, we've got 4 shimmers and, well, like foils, I'd say. There's one, I'd say, shimmer, what I call a shimmer, this one here. It's kind of like a matte shade, but then it's got flecks of shimmer going through it, and 5 matte shades. So reds, browns, orangey shades. Nice for autumn actually. So perfect. See, that's why I waited a month. I did it on purpose really, because I was waiting for autumn. Right, okay, so let's get it on my face. Right, so obviously I've done all my base up until eyes and lips. I never like to do my lips till afterwards because I don't know what's going to match. But first up, I'm going to go in my crease. I think I'm going to go in with this shade here, because that I'd say is the closest to a transition shade. Here we go. This is actually a Primark brush as well, so I'm going to be going in with this one. A bit brighter than I thought, but hey ho. Even when you want to walk away, when times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. That's actually really nice. Okay, and then I'm just going to blend that in with the same brush. You down. I don't wanna let you down. Blends nicely. Really like that colour. Yeah, so that's that on. So next, I've never gone for like a really bright red eye, so I really want to try that today. So next up, I'm going to go just above the crease with this middle red shade just here. I'm going to use the same brush. Oh, that is red. Ooh. Right. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise if you stick around it'll never get boring. That is pigmented. It'll work, it's fine. I don't wanna lose you now. Okay, and then I'm gonna blend that in with a fluffy brush. We can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down. Okay. Bit higher than I'd normally go for, but it's okay. Yeah, it's my fault, I put it there. Right, okay, so next on my lid, I think I'm actually going to go on the outer corner with this like maroony brown shade here. Again, I'm going in with this brush. I'm just going to give it a little clean. A bit more plummy actually on the brush. See what it's like when it's on. Oh, I like that shade. like that.
Will you stay even when you wanna
It's very bold, a very bold look for me, but I'm actually quite liking it. So I'm just going to blend that. Okay, I feel like I only blended around the edges, but I feel like I've lost a bit of that colour, so I'm just going to go back in. That's better. Right, okay, so I really want to do the shimmer on the inner corner, and as I say, we've got 4 to choose from, but I do quite like the look of these 2 here. I think I'm going to go for this one here on the corner. It's kind of like a dusky brown. Yeah, I don't know really. Dusky. Right, so we go for that one. I'm going to go in with a wet brush to start off with, see how we go with that. If that doesn't work, I'll use my finger. That's quite nice actually. Now I've put it on, excuse me, it's more of a red shimmer when it's on, which yeah, goes rather nicely. Right, okay, so underneath I'm gonna go in with I think I'm going to go for this middle shade here, which is kind of like a rusty reddy brown. I'm just on a pencil brush.
Let you down. I don't wanna lose you now. I don't wanna let you down.
That's quite nice actually. Bit of fallout. Hopefully that'll come off. Reasonably well. Right, okay, so for that what was that? For that inner corner, I'm going to try that goldy coloured glitter, I think. So, give me this one. I don't know if it's coming off on the brush or not. I might have to wet it. We'll try. Oh yeah, that's definitely come off on the brush. It's quite pretty actually. I actually quite like that look. Right, okay, so I'm going to do the same on the other eye, pop some mascara and lipstick on, and I will be back. So there we go, there is the finished look, and I rather like it. I just went for a nude lip and just the Primark mascara, so it's turned into a bit of a Primark look today. But yeah, really happy with the palette, nice and pigmented, blended well. I like the shimmers. Yeah, not a bad thing I can say about it really. If anything, although I only use 4 colours, the colours I would say are a bit more similar in colour when they're on than what they look in the palette. However, saying that, I still really like it. I would wear this again, especially on a night out. Yeah, I'll just give you a quick close-up of the eyes.
I don't wanna lose you now. Will you stay even when you wanna walk away? When times get bad, we can learn to love what we have.
So there we go. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful, and I hope to see you again soon. I usually upload on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday at around 6 PM. So if you want to see any more videos like this or other things that I do, then please subscribe down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.
You're the only one I want there at the end of my story. The only thing I figured out, 'cause everything else in my life without you would be boring. And we'll spend nights